These are the elevators at Terminal B, Wesleyland International Airport. These are on separate controllers. Unfortunately, this one's out of order. This is in between a staircase. Security checkpoints on level M. But we're not going to go there today. But let's ride these elevators first. These are Otis. We're only riding this one because the other one's out of order. See, look, there's the rear door for level M, since it's only a couple of steps away. Here we go. Terminal 2 hosts Frontier, JetBlue, and United. Here on M. Let's go down to 1. It's got a stop switch in this elevator. Just a couple of steps between M and 2. The chime's broken down here. Well, in the video, back on that M. And that's it.